Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I am going to make mango sharbat, mango fool, which is we call it mango fool. So today I am going to make sharbat out of this mango. So first of all, I'll put the mangoes to boil. I will put them to boil. This sharbat is very good for the summers. First of all, I'll boil this, and when it turns cold, then I will make the mango fool. Friends, the mango is boiled up. You can see. I'm going to take it out now. Mango is boiled up. It's gone soft also. Now I'll take this out in one plate. This will turn cold. Then I will make the mango fool, the mango sharbat. Friends, now the mango you can see is turned cold. It's gone cold. Now I'm going to take out the pulp from it. So like this, I will take out the pulp. It will be very nice for the summers. Like this, I will take out the pulp. This type. I will take out the pulp fully, nicely. I've taken out the pulp. You can see from the seeds. You can see how nicely it's come out. Now I will add sugar to it and mix the sugar with the pulp nicely till the sugar dissolves. So I have taken 1 bowl of sugar. This I will put in and mix it nicely till the sugar dissolves. The sugars dissolve nicely. And you can see there is not much lumps in the mango pulp. Now I will add some salt. I will add ordinary salt. If you all want to use the black salt, you all can use. And I'm going to use ordinary water. That also is very cold. I'm not going to put ice. This drink is very healthy. And it is very useful for the summers when the heat is terrible, very strong. Then you can make this and drink it in the house. It's very cooling, and it's very useful also. So I will add some salt, not much, little bit of salt I will put just for the taste. Now I will add water to it. Mix it well. This will be very tasty and very cooling to drink. I hope you all will like the video. Now I will pour the drink in the glasses. Mango fool is ready. Mango Sharbat is ready. Very healthy and very useful for the heat. It's so hot now, summertime now, and this will be very nice to drink also. Thank you for watching my video.